Hi guys and welcome here on my YouTube channel. In today's video we're gonna unbox the new beauty box by Next, the beauty editor approved box, worth over £240, yours for only £45. This time the box is bigger and feels heavier than the previous beauty box from Next that I unboxed in the past. I hope that is filled only with full-size products. Okay, beautiful people, let's open the box to find the treats. First product that I took out is from Clarins, Extra Firming Night Wrinkle Control Regenerating Night Cream. Is for all skin types. This cream will repair any damage that was caused throughout the day to your skin, will firm and plump the skin while you snooze. Clarins is a great brand, I love it. In the past I used a lot of skincare products from Clarins and was great. I am pleased to try on this cream. And here we have 50 ml of a product. Next product that we find is from Pai, Rose Hip Bio Regenerate Facial Oil. If you saw my last empties video, you saw this product there. I like it, it's nourishing and hydrates the skin well. The only thing that, let's say, is a negative side of this product is the smell. Not everybody will like it. For me personally, I was okay with it, but as I said, it's not a great scent. And here we have 10 ml of a product. Next we have a product from Neom, Perfect Night Sleep Pillow Mist with English lavender, chamomile and patchouli. Is made from 100% natural fragrances. Well guys, I am not a consumer of pillow mists. I don't like the scent, and second, I sleep well without them. This is a full size. Here we have 30 ml of a product. A non-essential full-size product for me. Here we have a full-size mascara from the brand Iconic London, Triple Thread Mascara in black. I have this mascara on my makeup table. In my video about mascaras I talked about it. It is not the best mascara for my taste and the price point is too high for what this mascara does. Next we found a full-size product from Murad, Retinol Youth Renewal Night Cream. This is a nourishing retinol night cream which will improve firmness and radiance, minimize lines and deep wrinkles, even tone, and hydrates the skin. From this range I tried an eye serum and it was pretty nice. The formula was lightweight, was absorbing easy into the skin, was gentle with the skin. I was happy with that serum. Here we find a product from Sarah Chapman London, Skinesis Overnight Facial. I am very happy with this product. Sarah Chapman is a very popular brand. I have a facial lift tool from this brand and is wow, I love it. I'm very happy that I will try another product from this brand. Next product that we find is a full-size lip liner from the brand Delilah. Lip Line Long Wear Retractable Pencil in the shade Pout. Is a beautiful nude shade that will suit everybody. It's creamy, the color is opaque, I like it a lot. Really nice color. And the last product that we find is the Advanced Night Repair Serum from Estee Lauder. I used this serum before and it's an amazing product. The formula is great. It sinks quickly into the skin, is nourishing, really good product. And here we have 20 ml of a serum to try. Okay, beautiful people, here are all the products from the beauty editor approved box by Next. And I am thrilled with this box. Inside we found 5 full-size products that altogether costs a lot and I paid only £45 for this box. Well guys, I am impressed. The bad side is that I checked on the Next website and this box unfortunately is no longer available. Okay, beautiful people, I hope you enjoyed today's video. A huge thank you for watching and see you soon. Bye!